I was unpacking and then I found this. Hey guys, so I am departing for New York City just in 2 days because I'm going back to New York City to finish my last semester in NYC Stern. But right now, since there is a policy to enter United States, we need to do the PCR test. I'm heading to the clinic to do my testing. So it went really fast. It didn't take more than 1 minute to finish the test. So right now, I'm just about to wait for within 24 hours. I'm going to get my result. So I'm heading to the airport right now. Glad we didn't live too far away from the airport. And then it's gonna take like 14 hours to New York City later.
And I'm not gonna lie, I have dreamed of this for a long time, held my breath for a while.
So after 13 hours long flight, finally I checked into my hotel and I was unpacking and then I found this. Someone followed me all the way here from Dubai. So right now we're just trying to find something to eat and do some grocery shopping.
So we are out now at one of my favorite Korean restaurants in New York City, which is Choktango, and it's very famous of the sundubu. It's a tofu stew, and since they're not allowing indoor dining right now in New York City, they're building this kind of interesting stuff for us, and there's a lot of food inside as well.
잘 먹겠습니다. How do you like it?
It's so good.
So good?
Yeah, I can't stop myself.
Welcome to my new apartment. This is a studio in Long Island City. Not very spacious, but enough for one person. That's the kitchen. I think this is the walk-in closet. Oh, it's the bathroom. Well, my machine. So this is our moving day. Just rented a U-Haul and trying to get our furniture from our storage and then moving back to Queens. First time driving in New York City?
Yeah, very first time. Excited.
His first time trying La Colombe.
Oh, this is so good.
So good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Good. Because you better.
Nice, nice.
So we just have our car loaded with my furniture from the storage, and right now we're heading to Brooklyn, IKEA, for some new furniture.
And I'm not gonna lie, I have dreamed of this for a long time, held my breath for a while. Can feel the rooms on fire. When we kiss the walls, they are steaming and we burn like a fire. Do we have to lose? Or do you have to go home? Throw away the shoes and go on with the flow. Or do you have to lose? The world can just go on with Thanks for the